Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're doing a 30-day health challenge thing at work, so I'm trying to be a little bit healthier, trying to do some meal prep to set myself up for success during the week. So the first thing I have here is just some little snack cups that I'm going to make. I'm going to be putting some mixed nuts, some almonds, little pieces of beef jerky, and some cheese in these, and they're super useful for this purpose. I think they're supposed to be for granola and yogurt, but this is also a really great use for them too. Alright, so for whatever reason my camera cut out, so I just wanted to kind of update you guys. I finished all the little snack cups and I started on my celery. I chopped it up pretty finely, a little bit of it for some chicken salad that I wanted to make later in the week, and some celery is cut up just for these little veggie packs I'm going to make, but I'm going to go ahead and cut up the rest of the veggies. Just a tip, guys, when you're doing something like this, use a big cutting board so you can just push things off to the side like I'm doing here and still have room to continue to cut everything else. Alright, so also like the celery, I have a double use for the red pepper. I'm going to go ahead and chop some up for these little veggie packs, but I'm going to make some in smaller pieces to keep for salads because I love putting red pepper in my salads. I'm going to go ahead and put these in two smaller little take to work packs, and then I'll put the rest in a larger container, and then through the week I'll just refill my smaller little veggie packs, and then we'll also have the big container to munch on when we get home from work and we're starving before dinner. Also, I couldn't fit all my cherry tomatoes in here, so I just put them in a plastic bag on the side. And those are also going to be good, pre-washed for salads and things like that. I also like to snack on cherry tomatoes. I don't know if anybody else does, but I think they're delicious even by themselves. Okay, so next up I'm making some ranch dip. I'm only going to do half of what the little package calls for. So I have an 8-ounce container of sour cream, and I'm going to use half the packet of seasoning, and I feel like this made enough for me for the week. But if you have a larger family or you want more, then obviously get a 16-ounce container of sour cream and just put the whole packet in. But this was enough for me, and this has lasted me through the week. I feel like when I'm dipping, I don't need as much as usually when I just use regular ranch dressing, so maybe that's what it is, but this was super easy and it tasted amazing. It actually tasted so much better than ranch dressing, and I don't know why. It's the same company, same product, I guess, but this was so good. And the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get some fruit prepped. I have some strawberries and raspberries, and I'm not really going to cut up the raspberries. I just gave them a light rinse, and I'm going to go ahead and just put them in the glass container because I feel like they're easier to eat, you know, when everything's prepped up. That's usually what meal prep is for, because it's so much easier to eat this kind of stuff, you know, and grab for it instead of convenience items, because they become a convenience item and they're just as easy to eat as going to the pantry and getting some like crackers or chips or something like that. So I just have like one of the bigger packages of strawberries, and I'm cutting like most of it up and going ahead and putting them in this little glass container here. So this is everything that I made. Everything is all laid out here. I have my little snack cups with my nuts and my beef jerky, and the little set-in tray with the cheese. And of course I have my little veggie packs and my big veggie pack. I have my raspberries, my strawberries, my ranch dips. I've got my celery for chicken salad, my red peppers for regular salad, and my cherry tomatoes for snacking and for salad. So all in all, super productive meal prep. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe here if you're new. This video was a lot of fun to make, and it did set me up for the whole week, so I definitely will be making more of these. I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome week.